Hi friends, today's video is about some advanced tools of Microsoft Excel. So now the question is, why learn these tools? These are some of the advanced tools of Microsoft Excel that enhances the way you analyze your data, thus boosting up the efficiency of your work. Now believe me, these are some magical tools of Excel that brings in a powerful way to start analyzing your data like the professionals do. And who doesn't want to work like a professional, right? So let's have a quick glance on few of them. So the first important tool to know is pivot tables. Pivot table is definitely one of Excel's most powerful features. A pivot table allows you to extract the significance from a large detailed data set. It calculates, summarizes, and analyzes data that lets you see comparisons, patterns, and trends in your data. Now, for example, this was just a raw data sheet that has got converted into an organized rows and columns, which can be controlled from the field here. So you can apply any number of permutations and combinations as per your requirement to get a result. So this is, friends, this is just a quick glance on pivot table. For a detailed video on pivot, please follow the link below in the description. Next in the list is macros. Now macros is simply a series of instructions that gets recorded with every mouse click and keystroke you perform. So like for example, this is a raw sheet which needs to be formatted every day. So I'll start recording macros. I'll do the required formatting, and then I'll apply all the operations wherever it is required, and once I'm done, I'll stop recording. So when I stop recording, all the operations that I have performed during that duration has been recorded. So the next time when I have to perform the same set of operations, I don't have to do it all over again. All I have to do is just run the macro button. Isn't that time saving? For detailed video on macros, please follow the link below in the description. Okay, next is VLOOKUP, which stands for vertical lookup. It is an Excel function to get data from a table organized vertically. VLOOKUP is the most underdog function of Excel. Once you master it, it becomes a child's play to extract your data from one or multiple files. The VLOOKUP function performs a vertical lookup by searching for a value in the first column of a table and returning the value in the same row in the index number position. So if you see here, I want to know the prices of a particular part number. So it becomes so easy for me. I have to just enter my part number, and there is my price. So that's how VLOOKUP works. You can check out the detailed video on VLOOKUP in the link below. Next is data visualization, which is the graphical representation of information and data with the help of visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps. And data visualization is definitely a need of the hour, because you cannot represent your data on an Excel sheet in a meeting, because it is a dull way of representing your work. When you have, and it is surely not recommended, because you have so many options, so many ways of presenting your work in a graphical way in Excel. You can do it in bar graph form. There is pie chart where you can change the inputs as per your requirements to present it the way you want. And there's an add-in feature called the people's graph, which presents your work in a picture format. This and many more, you can get all the details in our previous video on data visualization. I have mentioned the link in the description box below. So this was all about the advanced tools of Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to keep yourself updated.